Tunes today. What shall we listen to? I have such shitty service at my house. See? No offline results. No internet connection. Oh, man. Jump back in. I'm thinking Injustice for All, Metallica. Oh, yeah. We'll load it. You cunt. The struggle is real. Oh, I don't like those things. They cost me a lot of money. Look at this faggot. Oh yeah! Right in front of the cops too, fucking asshole. What the fuck is this guy doing? Dude, it's cold out, bro. Fucking. Anyways, I'm running late. Luckily, I have a fucking cool ass boss. Yeah, he probably won't fire me. Hopefully, we have a full crew today, so it's not detrimental that I'm there on time, but still it's pretty disrespectful on my part. I'm like almost never late. I don't think I've actually ever been late before, so that's really frustrating me, but he's cool. I'm bringing him some cookies, so he should be chill. Look at this guy, dude. Holy fuck. Yeah, bro. God damn, that thing is fucking huge, man. Sorry about your dick, bro. Yep. Another day in the life. Porsche fans? Saw, dude. Come on. Ah, shit. Alright, maybe I'm next. Ooh, look at that 4Runner though. That's what Fat Cat needs right there. Alright, here we go. Fuck yeah, dude. Look at this guy. Nice out today in San Diego. It's fucking titties mine. I'm not sure if this is the same truck we saw earlier or just set up the same, but fucking A. It's definitely a different truck. Holy fuck, mate. What the fuck? What are you gonna do with that thing, dude? Here's the other one, dude. I knew it. This is the same one I saw earlier. These guys are gonna have a fucking truck battle. Look how big this thing is. Like, the tires are as big as my bike. Alright, so I don't know what I am gonna say to my boss. I'm just gonna be like, hey, here's some cookies. Sorry I was late. Hopefully these delicious cookies that my lady made will help you forgive me. But yeah, I'm almost to work. Same ride I did last time. Just cruising home from work. Pretty good day at work. Just long, obviously. I'm leaving. It's like, I don't know. It's like 8:20 maybe, some shit like that. It's a little late night. I actually got the leather gloves on, brother. It's gonna be not that cold. I mean, I'm in California. Oh, a little bunny rabbit just ran across the street. It's not gonna be that cold. I'm in California, but still, I'm a bitch when it comes to weather. Honestly, I've been in California my whole life, so I don't think I've ever seen anything colder than like 30. Or no, I've seen like mid to low 20s. That was like the lowest temperature I've ever seen. And I was like, fuck this. This shit sucks, mate. So, hopefully I see some funny shit. I probably won't see much. What's up, bro? Okay. One of my biggest pet peeves with drivers is just the lack of use of their signal. Like this guy right here did not use his signal at all and just changed lanes right in front of me. I should have had the camera on, but I didn't, of course. But it's like, it's the number one thing that I need you to do. I need you to use your signal. You can drive like, see, like this guy is fucking chill. See? Oh yeah. Go ahead, bro. See? He used his signal, so I knew what the fuck he was gonna do. And that helps me a lot, and it helps all other drivers. So if you use your signal, give yourself a little pat on the back. Next time you don't use your signal, I hope somebody rear ends you and ruins your day. I'm just kidding, that's fucked up. But for real, use your fucking signal. Oh, another guy using his signal. Props, bud. Into the darkness we go. I love this little road. It's sketch at night. Sketch. Such a fag fucking term. Such a Cali boy. Alright, well, let's have some fun, boys. Sweet, so you guys have come along on one of my another one of my adventures. If you guys watched the first one and this one, thank you so much for watching and checking it out. I probably won't do too much more of my commutes unless I have something really like pressing that you guys want me to talk about, or if I can think of something, excuse me, to talk about, then I'll do that. But I'll try to keep it to, like, you know, exciting things. I'll try to get out and ride. I think actually doing these will probably entice me a little bit to actually be like, hey, like, I should get my lazy ass up and go ride my motorcycle somewhere cool. I've been doing a lot of skydiving lately, so I've just been kind of neglecting the motorcycle a little bit and using it mostly for riding to work, which is never cool.